different setting today, and I got a mic today. Oh my goodness. Welcome back to another video. If y'all know my name is Lee Arthur, and you feel me, I make all different types of content. You feel me? What's been taken off of the hair videos, so I'm gonna continue to give y'all hair videos and hair tips. You feel me? But anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna give y'all about like 5 or 6, maybe 7 tips on what I did to grow my hair fast and what you should do and shouldn't do. Before I can tell y'all what to do, I want to give y'all a reason why you should believe in what I'm saying. So this was me last year. You feel me? I'll put it somewhere on the screen. Last year. And this is me right now. Or just not even right now, a few months ago. This is about 11 months ago. But from what I'm showing you, you can see like I grew my hair pretty fast. Now, this was my hair in 2019. And this is my hair in 2021. Mind you, I don't think I cut my hair. Maybe I trimmed it a little bit, but I didn't really cut it for real. Do you see much of a difference? No, you don't. This is also my hair in 2020. This is my hair in 2022. You can still see that it didn't grow too much more, but you can kind of see a little bit of a difference. Point is, right, I figured out the secret on how to make it grow fast, because with how fast my hair grew this time compared to the previous years. Just a disclaimer, because I felt like I was kind of yapping right here. In no way, shape, or form am I saying that my hair grew slow. I still feel like it grew moderately fast, but what I'm saying is, this time around, I feel like I just grew it way faster, and you feel me?
I understand it now.
Anyways, let's get into the very first tip. So the very first tip is also one of the most important tips. Leave your hair alone and don't worry about your length. I said this in the video I made about almost 4 years ago. You feel me? Somewhere in my older videos on my channel. Promise you, it'll grow. You just gotta stop touching it and worrying about it. When you worry about it, that's what's really gonna make you feel like it's growing hella slow. But in reality, it's not. If you don't think about it, you just kind of just leave it alone, you'll be good. Bro, I see like a lot of niggas my age, it's like, they stay playing with their hair. Even me now, my whole life, I've always played with my hair. I still low-key do. When it be in curls, I'm not gonna lie, I be pulling it down. I try not to. When you're constantly touching your hair, yes, it does stunt the growth. A great way to leave it alone is protective styles, which I'm gonna get into a little bit later. Another thing I also do, besides the protective styles to kind of leave my hair alone, especially when it's in curls or like an afro, I'll soak my hair, drench my hair, because I'm not going to want to touch my hair and get my hand all wet and the rest of my body all wet. So I low-key do that to completely leave it alone for like the next hour or two. And then eventually, when it dries up, I kind of forget to keep touching it, you know? That's just how it is for me. But yeah. Number 2 thing I did to grow my hair fast. I protected my hair. Bro, protecting my hair, like, I don't remember the last time, unless it was by accident. I don't remember the last time I went to bed without a bonnet or do-rag. I don't have silk pillow sheets. I should get some, I know, but I don't have silk pillow sheets. So I really constantly need a bonnet or do-rag. I got 2 bonnets, 2 do-rags. I've done plenty of hair videos, so I'm sure y'all know exactly what it looks like. Protect your hair, not while you're just sleeping. A lot of y'all constantly wear hoods, y'all constantly wear beanies. Bro, when you're constantly wearing beanies and hoodies, bro, I promise you that also stunts your growth. Your hair doesn't get a chance to breathe. It's not gonna grow. You feel me? That's like not giving a plant no sunlight. I don't know if that's a good analogy, but you feel me? But y'all niggas get what I'm trying to say, you feel me? Like, don't be constantly compressing it down, sleeping with bedhead. I stopped doing this in, I think, the end of 2020. Juwan Gaines used this term, raw dog his pillow. And I don't know, it's been stuck in my head for all these years since. But yeah, I literally just raw dog my pillow and just sleep just like that. Like, I remember I used to get the curls, and my curls be curly, wet with product, like mad product in it, the gel and all that. Super wet before I go to sleep, but I would have to go to sleep, and I don't feel me. I'm not trying to, wait till it dries, because that's going to take hours. So I just sleep in my wet pillow. Deadass, just like that. I don't know how I was doing that, because now that I think about it, that's hella gross. But yes, that's what I was doing. And like, if you're one of them niggas that think, oh, bonnet or do-rag is gay, I promise you, me, Lee Arthur, if I didn't fear God, if I didn't love Jesus, the things I would say I'm like the last nigga to do some gay shit. I don't want to say too much because I want to build my personal brand. I want other brands to look at me as brand friendly, as someone they can give sponsorships to. So I'm not going to say nothing to get me canceled. But you feel me? You know what I'm trying to say, you feel me? Like, I am the last. So for niggas in 2024 who still think bonnets and do-rags are gay, or not do-rags, but bonnets are gay, like, come on. You gotta cut that shit out, bro. It's 2024, about to be 2025, my nigga. Don't let that old mentality, African parent mentality, like, get to you, feel me? Next tip, number 3. One thing I did when I first started growing my hair out, back in, like I said, 2019, 2018, 2020, I would pick my hair out, especially 7th grade me. Oh my gosh, so this is like 2017 to 2018. I was picking my hair out every single day to go to school. And I don't know if y'all know, but when you constantly pick it out, especially from the roots, it stunts the growth by a ton. I swear it do. When you do pick your hair out, you gotta pick it out the right way. I personally would say try to not to do it as much, like too often, you feel me? But when you do it, you have to do it the right way. Start from the tips, then work your way down. If you have to put your hair into sections, put your hair into sections. Deep conditioning. Now, deep conditioning, like I've said in multiple videos, it increases your curl potential. It moisturizes your hair. And to get curls, especially if you want curls, like how I be teaching y'all how to do, I feel like that's one of the main things that helped me grow out my hair back. That helped me grow my hair back out fast, you feel me? I've made plenty of videos on how to deep condition, whether on TikTok, whether on YouTube Shorts or actual YouTube videos. I may throw a couple videos up on the screen on me doing it, but I'm not gonna give y'all a tutorial on how to deep condition, you feel me? Go learn those for yourself, but make sure you learn that after this video. Okay, now this one I feel like is a game changer. This one I learned when I first started growing my hair before I had cut it. Now, if y'all getting a little confused, there's 2 eras that I'm hopefully referring to. I'm making it clear. There's the era before I cut my hair last year. That era was probably about from 2018 to 2023. And then the new era, which was from September or October last year up until now. That's the new era, you feel me? Now, what I'm trying to say is from the first era, what I realized is when I started doing protective styles, I was actually growing my hair a lot faster because, like I said earlier, I wasn't touching it. I didn't have to do nothing. I could kind of just leave it alone. And when you leave it alone, that's when it grows the most. My personal favorite protective style as of right now is 2-strand twists. It's even what I have right now as I'm editing this video. Feel me, 2-strand twists. And honestly, it's always been 2-strand twist. Recently, I've been falling in love with the braids. Y'all feel me? This is the first time I've gotten a heart. Protective styles also makes it easier for you to access your scalp. Your scalp can breathe. You can put oil on it. You can do what you need to do to it. Like, I try not to put too much oil because you don't want to overuse the products. But, you know, about every 2-3 days, I put some oil on my scalp while I got these braids in. Okay, the 6th tip I will give y'all. Stop using sponge curls. Oh my God, how many times do I gotta say it? Stop using the sponge curls. I'm talking about the foamy sponge. My nigga, we are about to go into 2025 freeform dreads. That's the only exception. If you wanna know one way you're definitely stunting your growth, is by using those sponge curls. Now, I personally use the racket comb, twisted up comb, whatever you wanna call it. I know some people use, I forget the name. I literally forgot it, like the last couple of videos I did this. Put it up on the screen. That some people use that. I personally have never used that, so I can't really make my honest opinion, give my honest opinion about it. But from what I heard, it's pretty good. It's better than the racket comb. I mean, better than the sponge curls. But me personally, unless I come across it, I'm gonna stick to my racket comb because it works for me. Okay, tip number 7. Don't overuse the products. Oh my God, I could use about 1/4 of a bottle on my hair back in the day, like 2019, 2020. 1/4 of leave-in, then I'll add the curling cream, then I'll go and add the gel, and my hair would just be super white. I remember people in my comments would be like, how do I get rid of the white? And I'll be like, oh, you kind of let it sit there, or oh, you could lightly put water in it. Nigga, I was not getting rid of the white. It would stay there the whole day. I would go to school, come back home, it would still be white in my hair. Now I learned the right amount to put in and how much I should put in. So it's not as bad as it used to be, but bro, I used to have white in my hair the whole day. And I remember people will ask me in my comments all the time, like, how do I get rid of the white? If you don't put too much, it shouldn't be too much white left. Obviously, while it's wet, you're still gonna see some white or some product in your hair. Eventually, after it dries up, you shouldn't see any more if you didn't put too much. If you still do see more, you can kind of rinse it out, but not to the point where you're washing the curls out, you feel me? You gotta be able to give your scalp room to breathe, because I don't know if you've ever shampooed for the first time in like a month after having curls, but so much product buildup on your scalp, you really gotta get in there and get it all out. And when you OD it, it stunts your growth because there's so much product buildup in your scalp. You just gotta let it breathe, you feel me? Last but not least, simple tip, something simple for y'all to end off with. On your hair, especially if you have type 4 hair, don't use warm water because it strips the moisture out quickly. Use cold water so the moisture can stay in your hair. That's literally it. If you're shampooing, you can use lukewarm water, I guess. But I'm talking like if you're trying to get some bouncy curls specifically, you'd want to use cold water, you feel me? And before you leave the video, if you have any questions or anything like that, follow my Instagram. I need to answer all my DMs. Oh my God, I have a bunch of DMs. I don't be ignoring y'all. It's just like,
it's just that, you know, it's like I'll look at it and then I'll be like, oh yeah, let me give a good response, so I'll respond later, then I forget to respond, and then they keep piling up, and then I rinse and repeat. You feel me? I don't mean to. But anyways, I know y'all thought I forgot about the giveaway. I did not forget about the giveaway. I said end of November. I know I'm a little late, you feel me? But it's time. We had only 12 people enter the giveaway. So that means, hold on, make sure y'all can see the results. Right here we got a random wheel spinner. And yeah, I don't know what website this is, but here we go. The first winner is, congratulations to JYT, probably does YouTube. You will be getting your Cash App or Amazon gift card today when I upload it. Just respond to my DM if you're watching this. Emrys Pratt as the second winner. Thank you if y'all participated. Thank you to the 12 people that went out their way and decided to participate in the giveaway. Free $50 just like that.
$50 just like that, you feel me? I'm just trying to show you how authentic and legit I am, you feel me? I truly do care about my subscribers. I'm a great person. I feel like, you know, still striving to be better. Great person. But yeah, that's my early Christmas gift to y'all. Thank y'all if y'all watched this video till the end. Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I can drop again on Friday or Saturday. Let's see how hard Lee Arthur can work. But God bless y'all and have a great day.
Like, why the fuck I'm doing shit for niggas? They don't care if I breathe. I was trying to get some money. I was hungry. You ain't care if I eat.